Hey babe, it's time for some TLC, okay? You need some TLC. We all need a break sometimes. I'm going to show you one exercise and one massage that I do all the time, like every single day. I'm not even kidding. It helps so much with my asymmetrical face. I sleep wrong, okay? I'm just smushing my face all the time. And then I grind my teeth. It's just a lot. Back to what I'll show you. It's super simple, super easy. You can do this in 5 minutes or less. Let's go.
Also, I'm gonna place this right here so I can use my hands.
I'm gonna start with my favorite exercise. It's the cheeks, all right? We're gonna start by placing our fingers right here, and you're gonna make a little O. You're gonna do 60 reps for 2 sets. Let's do them together. The best way to move your cheek muscles is to smile, stop smiling, smile, stop smiling. You're gonna feel what your cheeks are doing. On the third try, smile, stop smiling. That's the best beginner-friendly way to start moving your cheek muscles and get that facial mobility. We're gonna rest for 5 seconds, and then we're gonna do it again. My cheeks are burning. My face cheeks, not those cheeks. I love this second massage. You can actually feel the tension melting away from your jaw. What you're gonna do with clean hands is you're going to start where your jaw hinge is. So mine is right here. Make sure that your face is moisturized and your hands are moisturized because you don't wanna drag the skin down. That doesn't feel good. We're gonna do this 45 times. Oh my God. Oh my God, I was stressed or something today. There was so much tension. Another technique is starting like this and gliding down. Now I'm going to leave you with one self-love meditation. Close your eyes and repeat after me. I am my own best friend. I will honor my thoughts, feelings, and desires. In the stillness, I find my true self. I deserve my own love and care always. And with every breath, I will connect deeper to who I am. Because I am whole, I am enough, I am love. The more you understand and embrace yourself, the stronger your foundation becomes for everything else in life. Relationships, goals, happiness. We have to nourish our souls with patience, kindness, and care. You deserve to feel whole and empowered by your own love every single day. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. Sending you love and light.